Review. Spelling and grammar. Spelling and grammar is used to check spelling and grammar of the document. Thesaurus. Thesaurus means similar words which are also called synonyms. So if you have a word here, let's say reading, and you want to see its synonym, reading has these synonyms, are words that are similar in meaning. So you can choose these words if you want. For example, instead of reading, if you want to use the word analysis, you can insert it. It is inserted. You can also copy and then paste it. It is pasted here. Word count. Word count simply means how many words are there in the page. So it has 3 pages in total. There are 3 pages in this document. There are 32 words. Characters. So in textbook, T is a character, E is a character, X is a character. So characters without spaces are 241 and characters with spaces are 267. So if you include spaces, there are 267 characters. If you do not include spaces in characters, then they are 241. There are 6 paragraphs and 12 lines. Read aloud. This option gives you to read the document. For example, if you choose this and then read it aloud,
Focus on Grandmark Third, Units 1 to 5.
translate document, translate selection. The language detected is English. Original language is English. We want to translate it into a different language. Let's say Spanish. Spanish. This text is converted into Spanish. You can choose which language you want. These arrow keys are used to swap, meaning it is English here and Spanish here. If you swap it, Spanish will be here and English will be here. If you click insert, Spanish will be inserted here. Then we have language. Which language you want to choose? What is your language preference? English, United States, etc. Protect, if you want to protect your document. If you want to restrict editing, there are different functions you can perform. You want to restrict formatting or editing. Formatting restrictions. Click on this yes, start enforcing protection. If you click yes, it will ask you for password. Okay, now see what happens. You can edit it but you cannot format it. You see, bold, italic, underline, colors, font are not available because it is restricted. If you choose editing restrictions, what will happen? You cannot even make any changes. You cannot type anything here. If you want to stop protection, click on stop protection and enter your password. Now you can edit your document.